Here we go. We have a question, count good triplets. We have given an array and three values a, b and c. We need to find the number of good triplets. A triplet having three values and the difference between I and j is less than or equal to a, and difference between this is this, difference between this is this. So these three conditions should be satisfied, where this symbol represent the absolute value, and we just need to return the count of good triplet. So we have given this array and we have given three values. So using this, there are in total four triplets in this test case. So our brute force will be n cube. So let's figure out, can we apply n cube? Yes, it is simple, 100. So we can apply n cube. So let's directly apply our n cube. First create the answer, create our I, create j, and create k. Yes, we don't have n. We want absolute difference between ARR of I minus ARR of j. So this should be less than or equal to a, and absolute difference between ARR of j minus ARR of k is less than or equal to b. Then math dot absolute ARR of I minus ARR of k is less than or equal to c. So let me write in different lines. Yes. So if this condition is true, just increment the answer at the end, just return the answer. Let's run this. And we have an issue here. And now let's run this. Still, yeah, we have ARR working fine. Let's submit this. In between, let's talk about time and space complexity. So we are using n cube time complexity and space is constant. Thank you all for watching.